Hello bakers, welcome to Baking Relish, where we talk about all matters baking. I'm your host, the Relish Baker. At how to make a chocolate cake. Before us we have the ingredients, which are 100 grams butter or margarine, 100 grams self-raising, 100 grams sugar, 2 tablespoons cocoa, half teaspoon vanilla, 20 milliliters milk, and 2 eggs. To start us off, you need to take your flour and sift it twice together with the cocoa. You sift twice. Once you have finished sifting your flour twice with the cocoa, you now have a flour mixture that you're going to use. Next, you turn to your creaming process, and you're going to cream your butter and your sugar, and you add in the vanilla essence, just half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon. Take your time and cream until your mixture is light, pale, and fluffy. Nice! This is my creamed mixture, light and fluffy. I'm now going to add eggs one at a time with 1 tablespoon of the sifted flour. That's the egg and the flour mixture. Now this is ready. I add the next egg. And 1 tablespoon of flour, and then I mix. Now I add my milk. This is 20 milliliters of milk, so I'll just put it in. And then I add my flour mixture. Then now I put the remaining flour. Now this is my mixture. I've mixed all my ingredients and I have the butter ready for baking. Now the next step to take is to put it in your already dusted pan and your preheated oven and let it cook for 35 to 40 minutes on gas mark 3 or 180 degrees Celsius. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like on the Baking Relish channel. See you next time.